Good girls stay broke because they're too polite to be powerful. We call it humility, we call it gratitude, but half the time it's fear. Fear that if we ask for what we're worth, someone will think we're selfish or arrogant or just too much. So we discount, we overgive, we say it's fine, while something in us quietly burns. If you've ever lowered your price for your work because you didn't want to seem greedy, or you stayed silent when someone underpaid you, this is for you. By the end of this, you'll understand the link between unexpressed anger and under-earning and how self-permission turns energy into clean money flow. We're not just talking about pricing, we're talking about power and what happens when you stop performing grace at your own expense. Welcome to Your Witchy Mother. We cover everything your mother never taught you without the guilt. Body-led choices, steady money, clear boundaries, with practical rituals and zero performance. Hello, I'm Melanie, your witchy mother. I teach women how to remember their power through sovereignty, self-devotion, and practical magic that actually holds. This week, we're taking the same theme we've been working with, anger, and following it right into your bank account. Because money is just energy in motion, and when your energy is knotted up with guilt or politeness, your income reflects it. Let's talk about the money you've been too polite to ask for and how to start calling it back. Most women don't undercharge because they lack skill. They undercharge because they've been conditioned to keep others comfortable, to make sure no one ever feels taken advantage of. We learn to equate being liked with being safe, and we learned that asking for what we're worth might make someone upset. But the quiet truth is that every time you underprice yourself, you swallow a small dose of resentment. And resentment is just unspoken anger, the kind that corrodes trust in yourself. I invite you to ask yourself, where have I been paying the cost of my own silence? Anger isn't just emotion, it's feedback. When you feel that hot twinge in your gut after a client ghosts your invoice, or a friend forgets to pay you back, that's sacred data. It's your system saying, this exchange isn't clean. But most of us were taught to bypass that data. We swallow the discomfort, tell ourselves we're fine, and call it grace. Except that isn't grace, it's a leak. And leaks drain energy. Drained energy blocks wealth. Clean money starts with clear permission. Here's a simple ritual for rewriting your relationship with pricing. Light a candle. Write down the number that feels safe. Then double it. Notice what your body does. The clench, the flutter, the guilt. That's where the conditioning lives. Now ask, who taught me that comfort is more important than fairness? And breathe until your body softens. You don't have to act on the new number yet. Just let your field hold it without apology. That's how your nervous system learns to associate worth with safety instead of fear. You might be thinking, I don't want to make people uncomfortable. But you already are. You're making yourself uncomfortable to keep everyone else happy. Or maybe, I don't need much. That's not humility. That's old programming that says your needs are dangerous. Wealth isn't excess. It's coherence, the clean exchange between what you give and what you receive. When that flow evens out, your body stops bracing and your work starts thriving. Here's your assignment for this week. When you state your price, don't shrink your tone or rush the words. Say it slowly with a full exhale at the end. That exhale is the boundary. If your voice shakes, that's fine. It's just your body recalibrating to honesty. You don't need to be loud to be powerful. You just need to stop negotiating against yourself. That's what wealth coherence feels like. Your energy, your pricing, and your peace finally matching. If this stirred something in you, start with my free ceremony called You Don't Need to Protect Your Energy, You Need to Reclaim It. It'll help you pull your energy back from old patterns of overgiving and step into cleaner exchange. Anger doesn't make you greedy, it makes you clear. You don't need to demand to be paid. You need to stop apologizing for wanting balance. Your price is a prayer for reciprocity. Your boundaries are part of your magic. And that, my love, is wealth that actually holds.